Continuing from my last video, how to calculate, we were talking about Gantt percent start. Then how to calculate Gantt percent start in a created chart or created data. What we will do, we will go to the create calculated field in this for this, and we will go for the value. This is a formula of Gantt percent start, previous value of Gantt start plus filtered value of sizing value. Then what we will do, we will write it down, a calculated field new, that is Gantt percent start, and that will be previous value and what we will specify is here is Gantt start plus Zn expression lookup for the value sizing and up to the value to the -1. So friends, this is the formula for Gantt percent start, in which we calculate about the previous value of the Gantt start plus scaling value of the sizing value in lookup, where we want to look up, that is the value mentioned. So then what we will do, we will go for, sorry, we don't need to go this. First we will go to the default table calculation, and we will use here using rating description, and this will be okay. Now we will do apply and okay. Now what we will do, we will simply drag and drop this Gantt percent start to here. So what is this? What is this Gantt percent start? This is starting at point 1. What we are doing? There is not any previous value of Gantt start. Then we will calculate this one value. This one value. Gantt start plus sizing value. This one value. We put these both value in the formula, and we find out the value is this. So what we will do, we will go to the Gantt percent start, and we will format this. What we will do, we will go to the format, we will go to the percentage, and we will do this to the up to 1. So we can see this is Gantt percent start is converted to the first place of the decimal. Now what we will do, So we will go to the visualization. Now we have all the data with us for visualization. We will go to the next sheet, and what we will do, we will simply drag and drop two columns here, and we will simply drag and drop question here. Then there is a error is showing. What error? We have to explain. We Gantt percent start will be shown by the color variation. So we had didn't mention. What we will do, we will put rating description to the color. See, some format of Gantt chart is here. Gantt percent chart is here. What we will do now, we will format the chart up to some level. We will go to change this to automatic to Gantt bar. So what is this? This have been changed into up to the Gantt bar. Now what we will do, put sizing. We can put sizing to the size. So this is the format. We can also change standard view to the entire view. So friends, we can understand that what it is showing: satisfied, unsatisfied, bad, very satisfied. It is showing by color. We can have different on the basis of questions. This is showing the Gantt chart, which type of feedback we are getting, in which one question persons are more satisfied and are not satisfied. We can easily see this, but for better reading, for better understanding, we can format it up to the various level. What we will do now, we will show this by field, by the category rating. Okay, then we will see are some better changes here. This is sorted on the basis of satisfied or on the basis of very satisfied. We can easily understand this. We have sorted the data based on the rating. Now we can added this axis. This is added this axis to the minus 100% to plus 100%. What we will do, we will go here, we will go to the edit axis, we will go to the fixed start. We can do this minus 1 to plus 1. We are seeing there are some changes. What we will do, we can see there are some changes here. So we can understand that the beauty of minus 1 to plus 1, where it is lying. So if we want percent label on label, if we want percentage on this, what we will do, put sizing on label. Then we can understand this is the size to 26%, 19%, this one is this percent satisfied, and all this. If we will hover our mouse, then we can understand how much percentage is this. What we can do, we will simply click sizing, we will go to the format, and we can change this to the percentage up to the one level. We can go to the percentage up to the 1 level. So what we can do now, we can have different type of values there. We can go to the alignment, or we can go to the label. We can change various things from here. We can even want to swap the data, we can swap from here. If we want presentation mode, we can change from here. If we go to the label, we can change some alignment there, and what we can do, we can put it to the center. Alignment can be put it on center, align, and we can also edit colors. If we want some colors to be replaced, satisfied can be replaced by this, neutral can be replaced by this violet, and bad one is replaced by this, very bad is replaced by this, and very satisfied is replaced by this one color. Then we can see this is also changed. So friends, I hope you understood. This is Likert scaling chart, how we can calculate the Likert chart thoroughly. This is Likert chart, and how we can change Gantt chart to Likert chart, and we can calculate the calculations. So friends, I hope you understood. Thank you so much.